A comment on one of my previous videos really stood out to me. It said, but my main concern is I want to at least have a certificate so that I actually get to learn the importance of being a shadow teacher. I want to take some short training courses related to inclusive education. And I completely understand where this question comes from. Because when you are entering a new profession, a certificate feels like proof that you are ready. But here's something many aspiring shadow teachers don't realize. A certificate can open a door. Learning is what helps you stay in the room. Today, let's talk about what kind of training is actually worth your time. Why this question matters? More and more people want to become shadow teachers. Some are parents, some are graduates, some are changing careers, others simply have a passion for working with children. The internet is full of courses promising certificates in just a few hours. But before choosing one, ask yourself one simple question: what do I actually want to learn? Because shadow teaching isn't just about sitting beside a child in class. You're supporting a learner who may think, communicate, learn, or experience the world differently. That responsibility deserves proper preparation. The biggest mistake people make: many people choose courses based on one thing: the certificate. Instead, I would encourage you to look for learning outcomes. Ask questions like: will I understand autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and other neurodivergent conditions? Will I learn classroom strategies I can actually use? Will I understand sensory differences? Will I learn how to work with teachers and parents professionally? Will I understand inclusive education instead of simply memorizing definitions? A certificate without practical knowledge has very limited value. Knowledge without a certificate can also become difficult to demonstrate. Ideally, you want both. What good shadow teacher training should include? If you're looking at different short courses, here are a few topics I believe every program should cover. First, understanding inclusive education. Not every child learns in the same way. Inclusive education is about removing barriers so every learner has the opportunity to participate meaningfully. Second, understanding neurodiversity. You will likely support children with autism, ADHD, dyslexia, dyspraxia, dyscalculia, or other learning differences. Understanding these profiles helps you respond with empathy instead of assumptions. Third, observation skills. Shadow teachers spend a lot of time observing. You're noticing patterns, triggers, trends, sensory needs, communication styles, and learning preferences. Fourth, communication. You'll be working alongside teachers, therapists, and families. Professional communication is just as important as classroom support. Finally, ethics and boundaries. A shadow teacher is not a replacement teacher, not a therapist, not a parent. Understanding your role helps everyone work together more effectively. Is a CPD accredited certificate worth it? I also receive questions about whether CPD accredited certificates are worthwhile. CPD stands for Continuing Professional Development. These courses are designed to help professionals continue developing their knowledge and skills throughout their careers. For many learners, they offer structured learning with recognized certification. But remember, no certificate can replace curiosity, no certificate can replace observation, and no certificate replaces experience working with children. The best professionals continue learning long after they receive their first certificate. If you are looking for a recognized certificate while genuinely learning the role of a shadow teacher, I have included 2 CPD accredited courses in the description. Whether you are just starting out or want more in-depth training in supporting neurodivergent learners in inclusive classrooms, there's a course to match your learning goals. Check them out using the links below. If you're thinking about becoming a shadow teacher, don't chase certificates alone. Chase understanding. Because children don't benefit from the letters printed on your certificate. They benefit from your patience, your observation, your willingness to keep learning, and your ability to create a safe, supporting learning environment. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments what's one topic you wish every shadow teacher received training in. I'd love to feature your questions in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.